Dear USA, all nations of 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all on the same page on this regard that I'm providing very crucial, very important. So, just a sign off for myself, and it's a multitasking. With that said, I'll quickly read through the civil justice so that we all can be on the same page. Elections 2020 of USA destroyed by is destroyed by prostitute Pope Francis is proved, and USA must provide tax-free millions or billions of salary for undisplayed deadliest elections crime to USA. Prostitute Pope Francis must resign now, and I, Vedapriya Prose, must be the Vatican leader now with civil justice served, as in Holy Bible guidelines only. President Joe Biden violated national operations guidelines and must resign now for Swiss Guard rifles drug tax fraud crime. I, Vedapriya Prose, must be the interim leader of USA now, is civil justice served as in Holy Bible guidelines. How child marriage population, Swiss Guard, rifles drug dealers of Vatican, the native Indian tribes provided voting process in USA in the past 500 years. Why prostitute Pope Francis destroyed 27 amendments of USA, and why USA never disciplined prostitute Pope Francis for destroyed USA operations and allowed true criminals to live free. State of Wisconsin Department of Government of USA must pay tax-free $500 billion for State of Wisconsin never provided Prose salary to I. Vedapriya Prose. Department of Republican Government, Republican and Democrat government agency of USA must be sealed and shut down for humane endangerment, and I, Vedapriya alone can bail out banks of USA. I, Vedapriya Prose, must be the Supreme Civil Judge, Family Law Judge, Children Law Judge, Medical Law Judge, Finance Law Judge, and all types of judge to lead USA and nations worldwide is civil justice served. I, Vedapriya Prose, must be the Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations and must be an ambassador for all nations starting with India, and must get dual citizenship of USA and dual citizenship, and USA must rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu after my name. At fault and found guilty in all counts of crimes of deadliest humane wild endangered species, Vatican Jesuits crime of Department of Federal Banks of Division USA is, as of March 23, 2021, civil justice is how Democrat government and Republic government provided agency of USA provided elections, voting process for child marriage population, Swiss Guard, Vatican, rifles, drug dealers, population, and native Indian tribe population, and tax code. So I will repeat this one more time. How Democrat and Republican government how Democrat and Republican government agency of USA provided elections voting process for child marriage population, Swiss Guard, Vatican rifles drug dealers population, and native Indian tribe population, and tax codes and tax credits and tax returns process for child marriage population created by Antichrist Pope Francis. How Democrat and Republican government agencies of USA provided welfare economy improvement process since 1935, when Antichrist Pope Francis provided deadliest Swiss army, nuclear weapons, toxic lethal drugs, and war crimes worldwide. So at fault found guilty in all counts of crimes of Vatican Code of Abuse law mandate, tax mandate, Department of Government, banks, insurance, tax, revenue, treasury of USA must be sealed and shut down in next 1 second. And USA do not have any birthright destroyed to collect tax of any form from population, and it is deadliest crime, proved by I. Vedapriya Prose, and in true Christianity alone, there is never tax, is a proof why Pope Francis is never Christian and is the deadliest human endangerment, Islam, Judaism, Zionism, paganism, communism, destroyer of all nations. So, prostitute Antichrist Pope Francis must pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans for provided elections 2020 scandal, tax fraud, crime in USA. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now. Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I also want to provide one more part of the civil justice which I forgot it, so I recorded it one more time to be on the same page. Okay, it is civil justice as of March 24th of 2021. How USA Republican and Democrat government, GOP, Senate, Congress, Speaker, House of Representatives provided elections for child marriage population, Swiss Guard, rifles, drug dealers of Vatican, Native Indian tribes in past 500 years, when Antichrist prostitute Pope Francis created child marriage hell and Swiss Guard, deadliest rifle, drug, tax fraud, and 27 amendments of USA never provided any election law guidelines for always, forever, Native Indian tribes have highest impasse eligibility to be President of USA. I, Vedapriya Prose, a Native Indian tribe, Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of USA, did not vote it. So, I, Vedapriya Prose, proved elections 2020's deadliest scandal in entire life cycle of USA operations, and prostitute Pope Francis destroyed USA operations, and President Joe Biden 2020 to 2024 never fixed Vatican, Swiss Guard, rifles, drugs, tax fraud scam, and President Joe Biden should resign now, and I, Vedapriya Prose, true owner of USA, must be the interim leader of USA now as in Holy Bible guidelines, and I, Vedapriya Prose, must be the Vatican leader for prostitute Pope Francis destroyed election services of USA. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.